Do you want downtown Greenville at your doorstep? This urban chic townhome will get you close to all the best restaurants, breweries, Unity Park, and the Swamp Rabbit Trail. Come on, let's take a look inside 303 Pete Hollis Boulevard. This inn unit was built in 2022. It's move-in ready. You can't beat the location or the floor plan. The best part is you get all of the perks of city living without giving up space, style, or privacy. On the first floor, you have a bedroom and full bathroom. One of the big benefits of having a townhome is an attached garage. You have great storage and shelving possibilities. You'll definitely need room for a bike or two so that you can log some miles on the Swamp Rabbit Trail and downtown. On the second floor, you'll love the open concept design for entertaining and all-around easy living. The kitchen features sleek quartz countertops, a large island where all of your friends and family will gather at dinner parties. It's the perfect setup for hosting friends before heading out for a night downtown. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, there's room to spread out, work from home, or welcome overnight guests. The primary suite is your own personal retreat, complete with a walk-in closet and spa-like bathroom. Need a little fresh air? Whether it's morning coffee on the balcony or grilling out on the weekend, your outdoor space gives you a moment of calm in the middle of all the action. Pinckney Towns offers one of the largest green spaces. Best of all, you don't have to worry about yard work. All of the landscaping is included in the monthly HOA fees. Living at 303 Pete Hollis means you're never far from what makes Greenville one of the South's most vibrant small cities. Grab lunch at the cook station, hop on the Swamp Rabbit Trail, or catch sunset views from a rooftop bar, all without ever having to get in your car. If you want the energy of downtown, the comfort of home, and a location that just keeps getting better and better, 303 Pete Hollis Boulevard is here for you. Please reach out to me for more information. I'm Angela Rodriguez, your favorite broker in charge at Encore Realty. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more information and all the inside scoop. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.